Welcome back to Just Cook Damn It. Today I am making a quick plate of stuffed meatball with pasta. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Let's get started. In a bowl, a mixture of veal, pork, and beef ground. I added in some shallots, some garlic minced, 2 eggs, parsley. Didn't have any fresh parsley, so dried parsley will do. Of course, some more garlic butter, some onion powder, and breadcrumbs. I just want to mix that pretty well together so you can form your meatballs. I placed some Asiago cheese in the middle and rolled the ball again. You see, I'm just using my thumb. And as you can also tell, I took my gloves off. I couldn't really form the meatballs correctly without bare hands. After rolling the meatballs, I placed them in a pan with some olive oil, browning them on every side. It doesn't necessarily have to be cooked completely through. Next step, you're adding in some tomato sauce. Just a regular can of tomato sauce. I didn't have time to make homemade tomato sauce. I let this simmer for about 15-20 minutes until you see this deliciousness. Enjoy a nice plate of stuffed meatballs with some spaghetti. I enjoyed it, my family enjoyed it, and as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. God bless.